In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your VAT ID in your account settings for international business transactions. To get started, sign into your account and head to the Site Preferences area. This is where you'll usually find the main settings related to your profile and account configuration. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct section before moving on, since account menus can sometimes include several similar options. Once you're inside Site Preferences, look for the Business Information section and open it. This area contains the business-related details connected to your account, and it's where you can update important tax and company information when needed. If you're setting this up for business purchasing or invoicing purposes, it's a good idea to double-check that the rest of your business details are already accurate and up to date. In the Business Information section, navigate to the VAT ID field. Here, you'll enter your active and verified VAT registration number. Make sure you type the number carefully and exactly as it appears in your official registration records. Accuracy matters here, because even a small mistake could prevent the system from recognizing your VAT status correctly. Also, be sure that the VAT number you're entering is currently valid and approved for use, especially if you're applying it to international business transactions. Adding a verified VAT ID can help ensure that eligible international business transactions are treated correctly for tax purposes. That's why it's worth taking an extra moment to review the number before saving. If you copied it from another document, quickly scan the field to confirm there are no extra spaces or missing characters. After entering the VAT registration number, save your updated profile details. This final step applies the change to your account and ensures the information is stored correctly. Once the update is saved, your account should reflect the new VAT information for qualifying business use. And that's it. By going to Site Preferences, opening Business Information, entering your verified VAT ID, and saving the update, you can complete this setup in just a few moments. If you're making changes for tax handling or international billing, keeping this information accurate is an important part of maintaining a properly configured business account.